WordPress is built on top of open web technologies. And this is really one of the things that's kind of become one of my passions. This is a free resource that I put together for beginners who are just getting into WordPress. I technically call this the daddy of all WordPress tutorials. And I'm working on it, improving it. What you can get when you go to the website and just sign up, all of this is free. None of this is charged. And it's a free resource because I just saw this need in my WordPress meetup group, and I said, you know what? They will never have to ask these questions over and over again if I just started answering them in videos. Put them together and share it. So that's what I did. Let's get started.